Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Please check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is wisdom. Wisdom, knowledge, understanding. This is what you need to ask for right now. Work smart, not hard. God has a plan for me, and I live here and now knowing beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. I learn from my experiences. Therefore, you become stronger, wiser. Therefore, you're able to receive bigger blessings. Positive energy and blessings carry their own weight. Are you ready to sustain them? Continue to put in the work. I take small steps in faith and I succeed thanks to all of my efforts. Make sure you continue to put in the right efforts, but just because you're worn out and exhausted does not mean you're putting your best effort in a full day's work. Work smart, not hard. In your prayer, meditation, and going out in the elements, however you communicate with Lord God, with Spirit, it's time to just ask, give me the wise way to go about things. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.